Did you know that simply adjusting what you eat could dramatically impact your weight loss journey more than anything else?
Really? That's fascinating, Susie. I always thought exercise was the most crucial element.
Exercise is important, Adam, but the foods you choose can make or break your weight loss efforts. For instance, let's talk about leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach.
Leafy greens. Low in calories and carbs, but packed with fiber and nutrients, right? They sound like a dieter's dream.
Exactly. They add volume to your meals, helping you feel fuller without piling on the calories. And don't get me started on beans and legumes.
Oh, lentils, black beans, and chickpeas, I love those. They're high in protein and fiber.
Right. And they have a low energy density, which means you can eat a lot without consuming too many calories. Speaking of protein, how do you feel about cottage cheese?
Cottage cheese? It's a personal favorite. So high in protein and low in fat, it's perfect for keeping those hunger pangs at bay.
Absolutely. And it's very satiating. Transitioning to something a bit different, have you ever considered how soups can help with weight loss?
Really? I know soups can be filling, but what's the science behind it?
Well, liquid-based foods like soups promote feelings of fullness due to their volume. Clear broths or vegetable-based soups are especially effective.
That's so interesting. It makes me think about how avocados work too. High in healthy fats and fiber, right?
You got it. Avocados can help keep you full longer and provide essential nutrients like potassium, which helps reduce water retention.
And apple cider vinegar. It's often touted as a miracle ingredient. What's the deal with that?
Good question. Apple cider vinegar can increase feelings of fullness when consumed with high-carb meals, and some studies suggest it helps with moderate weight loss over time.
Now here's a surprising one. Nuts. Everyone says they're fattening, but aren't they actually good for weight loss?
Yes, in moderation. Nuts are a great snack option with a good mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that can improve metabolic health.
Speaking of snacks, fruits are always a go-to, especially berries, apples, and grapefruits due to their fiber content and low-calorie nature.
Fruits are fantastic for weight loss. And let's not forget cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which are both high in fiber and protein.
I didn't realize cruciferous veggies had protein. That's a double win for weight loss. Then there's chia seeds, which I've heard are magical for feeling full.
They are. Chia seeds absorb a lot of water, expanding in your stomach to help you feel full. Plus, they're rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids.
And whole grains like oats and quinoa, how do they fit in?
Whole grains are excellent for satiety and metabolic health, unlike refined grains, which can lead to weight gain. They keep you full longer.
Now eggs. I've heard conflicting things about egg yolks. Should we be eating the whole egg?
Definitely. Whole eggs are packed with nutrients and the yolk contains most of them. They also help suppress appetite.
I've always liked salmon. It's filling and heard it's great for metabolic health, thanks to its omega-3 fatty acids.
Exactly, and omega-3s reduce inflammation, beneficial for weight loss. Now, what about chicken breast? It's a staple in many diets.
Lean, high in protein, and low in calories. Perfect for muscle maintenance and fat loss.
And last but not least, coconut oil contains MCTs, which can boost metabolism and promote fat loss.
That's a lot of great information, Susie. Incorporating these foods really can make weight loss more manageable and sustainable.
Absolutely.
Well, changing these food habits may be challenging, but with the right support and resources, you can set yourself up for success. If you're really inspired to try changing these food habits for yourself and experience these potential benefits, I have an amazing resource to help you get started. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description below to get started today and take the first step towards a healthier and slimmer lifestyle. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. So challenge yourself to try the amazing resource that can help you shed those stubborn pounds and feel confident in your own skin in just 2 weeks and see the incredible difference in your body. It's worth giving it a try, and you might be pleasantly surprised by the results. Your body and mind will thank you.
So, to our listeners, thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found our discussion helpful.
And don't forget to follow or subscribe to our podcast for more insights.
This is Susie signing off until next time. Goodbye.
And this is Adam saying, stay healthy and see you next episode.